Every service call starts before we even hit the road. It's about having the right parts, the right tools, and a clear plan of action for the day. First stop is a baseline power diagnostic. When a boat's been sitting on a trailer, step one is restoring core power and setting up external cooling. We ensure the electrical grid is rock solid before we even think about turning the key. Over at Humber Bay, it's a mechanical puzzle. Replacing a classic carburetor isn't just about bolting down a new part, it's about precision calibration, fuel delivery, and giving an old engine a completely fresh breath of life. Two completely different systems, two different locations, but the same standard. At the end of the day, it's about knowing the machine inside and out, so when our clients hit the water, they can just drive.